welcome back to my channel AJBoy, and today we are going to learn how to make an OC for your animations in Scratch. OC means original costume, so let's continue. Here I am going to make an OC like this. So let's go. First I am going to take the circles tool and set the color of face you want. I'm going to choose the skin color right here. And then make a circle. Like this. Then make its eyes. I'm going to be using the lined eyes like this. You can also use the other types of eyes. So now let's make the body. Here I'm going to be using a jacket or a t-shirt here. Now let's just do it like this. Using the lines tool. Now here I'm going to draw a line like this. Then a line like this. Now I'm going to move it backwards by selecting it. And now I'm going to fill the color. So I'm going to fill this color. Paste it right there and then flip horizontally and move it now let's just move it backwards. And now let's make the legs. To make legs, I'm going to use the lines tool again. And then the circle tool. And here you go. Now let's make the hair. To make hair we are going to choose the circle tool, select any color for the hair and then draw it over this. Now select the shape editor tool, move it up. And choose the style of hair you want. So that's it for today's video guys, and bye bye.